Hello, today I'm in Skoda Octavia. In this video I'll show you how to manage buttons on steering wheel. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got buttons, thanks to which we can control the radio. We can change radio volume, turn radio on or off by pressing and holding this button, and change radio station. Next we've got the panel on the right side, thanks to which we can change radio source, and thanks to these buttons we can navigate through speedometer display. And that's basically it. The last thing, if you press right here, you'll use horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.